Hi guys, my name is Novia and welcome to my channel. So I've got my February Boxy charm and we're going to jump into it and get started. The first thing I like to do is to go through last month's items to review what I thought of them and whether the box was worth it for me or not. So we have the Glam Metals eyeshadow palette by Crown. This was a really cute metallic eyeshadow palette. It had like a matte black here, and then the rest are really shimmery metallic. And I really do like this palette. The formula was great, very pigmented and very creamy. It's a nice accent palette, nice mix of cool and warm tones in there for shimmers. So I did really enjoy that palette. I swear my kids know when I'm filming. Do yours do that if you have kids? Because like every time I sit down to film, they like come and interrupt. Anyway, we also had the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. I did really like this. It wasn't like glittery or anything, and it wasn't too. I have oily areas in my skin, like in my T-zone, but it wasn't too much for that. It was nice, felt nice on the skin. So I enjoyed that, and I will get some use out of it. I will definitely get to use that right now. I'm trying to get through some other primers for the year 2018. So after I do that, I'll put that one in there and be able to use it. Next we have the Galactic matte lip color in Demure. It's the one I'm wearing today, and I do have a couple of shadows from the Crown eyeshadow palette in it as well. The silver and like reddy color. Those are from the Crown shadow palette. But anyway, I love this lip color. This feels and smells like frosting. I feel like when I first put it on my lips, it doesn't get feel dry throughout the day. Like it feels nice and comfortable as I'm wearing it, and it wears really well. So I really enjoy that lipstick, and I adore the color. So I would definitely get used to that out of that. Next we have the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil. Not my favorite. It is kind of hard and scratchy, but you know, the color's not as gray as it used to be when they first came out with this, and I don't mind the big like oval end, so I'll be able to use it. It's not something I would repurchase or purchase with my own money, so but I'll be able to use it. The last thing was I wasn't planning on using this. It was the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. It has this blush or bronzer, highlight, and blush. They're all very, very shimmery. I do have the blush and the bronzer on today, like just right here as a highlight, because the bronzer is very, very shimmery. I wasn't planning on using this, but I accidentally got my nail dug into it when I went to close it, so I figured I might as well give it a shot. It will be, I think it'll be nice in the summer when I'm a little bit darker. Like I feel like it may, like on camera it doesn't look too bad, but in real life I feel like it made my face just look kind of dirty. I don't know, it's just a little too much. They're very, very bright and pigmented, but the formula is nice. It's just, they're very bright. So maybe in the summer when I have a little more color, I will get some use out of those. So I'm going to be able to use all of these products, so I think that makes it worth it. I really do love the lip color and the eyeshadow palette. So for those two items that I absolutely love, I would say it's worth it. And then I'm good, like I said, I'm going to be able to use all of this, so I think that it makes it worth it for me. And then we have February's box here. I cut through the little tape circle they have, but I haven't opened it yet. Ooh. So we've got a little 20% off for Cover FX, and the little card that tells you how much everything is and what everything is. And I'm not really excited right now. Oh, sorry, I had to go get him again. So this is the first thing I pulled out is the Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. It is a pencil eyeliner that you have to sharpen. Sorry, my light just went out, so sorry the lighting just changed. Anyway, so this retails for $21. I don't like pencil eyeliner. I'm a liquid eyeliner girl, and I definitely don't think I want one that I'm going to sharpen. So yeah, I'm gonna pass on that. I'm not even gonna bother with it because I don't like to deal with that. Next we have, this is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil that retails full for $28, and I have not tried anything from Cover FX before, so. Oh, it's in the color Amethyst, so we'll do a foot applicator. Oh, that's very, very purple. Very, very bright. What are you supposed to use these for? Enough for the boldest of eyelids, weightless finish. Okay, so anywhere on the face. Well, let's see how it dries throughout this video and see if I would be able to use it for an eyeshadow, because it's probably the only thing I'd use it for. That tiny little thing retails for $28. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, next I have a little brush trio. This is from Crown Cosmetics. This retails for $30, and it is their contouring set. It looks like it's what it says. It says contour your face protection. So concealer brush, not what I would use for concealer. It looks like a flat shadow brush, and then kind of a puffy brush. I didn't get to try the other Crown brush that I got from here because I passed it on, so I guess I get to try their brushes now. They're soft, I mean, but they're not like, they feel kind of cheap. Like, I don't know, I don't know that I like that. So there's like this little fluffer one that I don't really know what I would, maybe for like highlight, or I don't know. And then this one that I can use this for a blush brush, I know. And this I would probably use for a shadow brush. It says conceal, but probably shadow. We'll see. I'll try them out. I mean, they're soft, but they don't like they just feel kind of cheap. They feel kind of like, they feel very synthetic. I'd just say they're synthetic, probably, but they feel like extra plasticky. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, next we have the Pure, Plumping Licks Exfoliator. Retails for $17. A 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil. Exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and smooths. Well, we'll try that out. I like lip exfoliators, so we'll try that one out. I mean, that would be nice if I could keep it in my purse, because I do like sometimes exfoliate because it's really dry here. And then, oh, drop it. Last thing I got was the Ofra Cosmetics Pop-Up Mini Palette and Blush Refill. I don't want any blushes. I didn't really want, I was really hoping I would get the highlight palette that they advertised, because Lord knows I don't need any more blushes. This is the blush Winter Rose and Glow. It looks like it's like a terracotta-y color. So, ooh, okay. So there's the blush, and swatch it. It's not swatching super pigmented, but I don't know if you can tell. Right there is the color. And it's okay. I just don't want another blush. I'm not excited about this box. And then the palette. So there's that pops out like this. And I recently shattered all of my single shadows, so I don't want to buy any more of anything like that. So this will just get filled up if I get samples in the mail. So that is it I got in this box. This retails for $19 and the blush retails for $12. I'm not really excited about this box, but we'll see. I'm going to give everything a shot, excluding the pencil. I will definitely just pass that on to somebody because I don't have any interest in that whatsoever, and I have plenty of eyeliners. But I'll give everything else a shot, and we'll see. Oh, let's see if this So it did dry down pretty well. So it dried, oh, but it's cracking on my hand. Like it dried down, but it's kind of cracking on my hand. And like, ugh. Okay, it's fine. The last one was really great for me, and the last two were really great. This is only my third box, so we'll see if I get good use of everything. I'll update you next month. But that is all for now. Let me know if you got the highlight palette down below if you're excited about that, or if you wanted the blush, because I was like really hoping for the highlighting palette. But oh well, get what you get. But thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe right up here. There's a couple more videos in the bottom of the screen that you can also go ahead and watch if you would like. And thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.